Most renovation businesses in Australia are sitting on a profitable pipeline of work. The problem isn't the jobs, it's the cash. Materials up front, labour costs running before the client pays, and project delays that stretch a 6 week job into 10. A business loan can fix that. Here's what you need to know. Renovation and building contractors have a few solid options when it comes to business finance. The most common is an unsecured business loan. You borrow a lump sum, repay it in fixed installments, and you don't need property as security. These work well for covering materials, equipment, or bridging a cash gap between project milestones. If your renovation business deals with fit outs, large commercial jobs, or subcontracting arrangements, a line of credit can be a better fit. You draw down what you need when you need it and only pay interest on what you've actually used. For businesses with lumpy income, which covers most in this industry, that flexibility matters. Equipment finance is worth looking at separately if you're buying utes, trailers, scaffolding, or machinery. You keep your working capital free and spread the cost of the asset over its useful life. The equipment itself usually serves as security, which makes approval more straightforward. Now, what can you actually borrow? Non-bank lenders, which is where most renovation businesses end up because banks are slow and collateral heavy, will typically lend between $10,000 and $500,000. What matters most is your monthly revenue, your trading history, and your bank statements. Most lenders want to see at least 6 months of trading and a minimum monthly turnover, usually somewhere around $5,000 to $10,000 depending on the lender and loan size. Your credit score factors in, but it's not the whole picture. A business with strong cash flow and solid bank statements can still get approved even if the credit score isn't perfect. Non-bank lenders are more focused on your actual business performance than your history with a credit card 10 years ago. The application process is simpler than most people expect. You fill in a form online, takes around 10 minutes, provide 3 to 6 months of business bank statements, and in most cases you'll have a decision the same day or the next business day. Funds can hit your account within 24 hours of approval. There's no branch visit, no property valuation, and no waiting 3 weeks for a bank to tell you no. One thing worth knowing, always compare across at least 3 lenders before committing. Rates and fees vary significantly between providers, and the cheapest headline rate isn't always the best deal once you factor in the total cost of the loan. A comparison platform can show you multiple offers in one place without hitting your credit file. Link in the description to compare business loan options for your renovation business. Takes under 10 minutes and doesn't affect your credit score to check. This is general information only, not financial advice. Make sure you consider your own circumstances before applying.